Hey man, use your turn signal. Oh, sorry about that. I'll be sure to work on it. That's it!
Oh my goodness, are you okay?
Oh yeah, doing good. Thank you for asking. Not on my clock, you don't. What? Turn it on! Turn the blinker on now!